Hey guys, look here, another video of the door awning canopy install. This time we have one from Awning Home. I'll put the links in the description below. What's cool about this one, it's pretty heavy duty. You got the strong ABS brackets, aluminum drain panels, so that's a nice plus. I didn't have that before. Has the polycarbonate panels, UPF 50 rated. It's brown finish, so I want to give it a little tint. Comes with all the bolts, brackets, which we'll go over in a second during the install. But basically, I'm going to replace the smaller one I have here. I had this one for a few years, and I've been getting a lot of questions in the old video. And as you see, it held up just fine. Just a little dirty, needs a power wash. But these things hold up to heavy snow, held up to 30, 40 mile per hour wind gusts. So same with the one over there, right? This one, just a little upgrade, newer model, a little wider. So it should perform better and look better. Let's get it installed. All right, so this is the kit we got. Let me show you exactly what we have and the assembly. You got the two brackets. What's cool about the brackets, if you get more than one kit, they do have the openings on both sides, so you can keep adding on and expand them, making it wider. This is the aluminum piece that's going to sit on the back. What's cool, it's flush right with your wall. So I didn't put any sealant or silicone against my siding last time, probably will not do it now either. This plastic piece here connects the two panels together. And then this is the new piece I was telling you about for the front. Basically it's going to sit like this. And it's going to give you a drain, as you see, opening there, and it's going to drain so it doesn't just drop right in front of you like it does right now on this one. And then we got the two panels. I got these in the brown finish. Peel up the protective plastic. Supposedly it's UPF 50 rated. So sun protection. Alrighty, let's assemble. Comes with the screws you need. Let me show you. These are for installing it to your wall siding, wherever you put it on. So most likely you'll be using these big bolts. These expandable bolts here, once you screw this expands. This is for concrete, so you're gonna have to drill a hole in your concrete, bricks, whatever. We don't have to worry about that. We could go with this, but I'm most likely gonna go just with regular 3.5-inch screws that I'll show you guys later, that I did originally because it held up well. And then you got regular screws for assembly. Let me show you where. For example, right here, where you have these plastic fittings. And then we have the silver ones, which are self-tapping, which are basically going to screw into these brackets. So first we got to put these two together. Two opening grooves. The higher one goes up top. Top meaning the top of your canopy. The shorter one will be on the bottom. And we just slide these right on. Expand it. Go. Make sure it's all flush. Then we get the other one. All right, that's all set. I'm gonna start with the wall bracket. Pop it into one side. Well, we can actually pop it into this first. Just slides right on. So this is what it basically looks like right here. And now we're just popping it into the groove here. Going all along here. Get our front piece, same idea. Slide this on. Way in, and now we can screw down this side. So over here we're doing the self-tapping screw. Don't over tighten it with your drill. And in here we are grabbing the silver one. We are going right into that groove in there. So we gotta line it up. If you guys can see the green little, so we gotta get in there. Oh no, I'm sorry, not silver, the gold bolts. That already has a fitting. There we go. That's it. Now we move to the other side. Same idea over here. Just gotta slide it all on. Gotta give it a little bend here to up it in. There we go. I'm gonna stand this up. Self-tapping again. And then you can also pop one right in there. First, let me do this side. Same thing. Green piece, get it in there. There we go. The gold bolts also in here. Just to hold it together better. There we go. We just got a couple more self-tapping screws to do. Right over here. Connected to the drain sleeve for the extra support. Go. And this is fully assembled at this point. Super lightweight, as you can see I can hold it with one arm. And it's going to look pretty cool when installed. Drain. So what I'm going to do now is get the old one off and pop this one on. So this is what I was talking about. The old one doesn't have a drain. So that's going to be a nice little upgrade. And I just had this installed with 3.5 inch outdoor construction screws, and that held up to everything. That's what I was talking about. I didn't use any silicone. Water doesn't really get there. Let's remove this and I'll show you how to install the new one. So you can use the bolts they provided you with, but I'm going again with the same ones I already used for years. It's the 3.5 inch outdoor construction screws. Got a couple of washers, so it basically can fit the openings here. And let's pop it on. There you go, all installed. Like I said, very simple. These screws are more than enough to hold this. Tested it over the years now. For anybody that was asking on my previous video, did I silicone or put any sealant next to the siding? No, I didn't. As you see, it's basically touching it, and I had no water dripping there anyway. You know, the little ledge over there, I'm sure helps. But besides that, this is solid now. Got a drain right here, so that's going to be nice and helpful. But yeah, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope this is helpful. Any questions, let me know. Check out my other videos. Please subscribe, follow, and come back for more.